Hello, all friends. This is my room tour. Here's my dresser. Here's some candles I usually use. Here's one of the brands. Smells very good. And here's the other one. That's my dresser. What I use. See? And two of my sports hats I root for. Golden State Warriors. I'm happy they won. And New England Patriots. I hope they go back to the Super Bowl this coming up season very soon. Here's a Tom Brady cool thing. Yep, this is my room tour. Here's my wall. Yep, that's the team I root for, New England Patriots. That's all their Super Bowls they won in their future. Here's another thing I got a couple of months ago for my birthday, last year for my birthday. Here's a nice wallpaper. Here's a nice, very, very, very nice artwork of London I got at Ross. I hope to go to London. I would like to visit London someday. This is a very, very nice artwork, and I really do like it. See, there's Big Ben clock. Here's another shelf thing I use. Here's another thing I use for my movies. Another shelf. This is where I sleep, right here. That's another desk I use. Here, yeah, this is where I sleep. Here's a Walking Dead poster. That's what I watch on TV every Sunday night. Here's another art from France. I got it at Ross. This is really nice. I really like it. I would like to visit France someday. London and France someday, and a few other places. I would like to travel the world someday. Hopefully soon, or someday. I would like to do that. Yep, that's an artwork of France. I really do like France. I would love to visit there someday. Yep, there you go. See? Very nice. I got it at Ross for not a lot. Here's another poster. Sucker Punch. That's another good movie. And here's a seal thing I got at where did I get this? Niagara Falls. They had a animal shelter or something like that. I miss Niagara Falls. I got this there. A seal thing. Here's some pictures I got. I just bought them in the store. I miss Niagara Falls so much. I didn't go on the Canada side. I was on the other side. We had fun that summer. It was a few summers ago, so I got these so I could always remember. I bought them at a shop so I could always remember Niagara Falls. I miss Niagara Falls. I hope we could go on the Canada side. I would love to go on the Canada side. I miss Niagara Falls so much. I really do miss Niagara Falls a lot. I would like to go back there someday. I really enjoy it. We went a couple summers ago with my mom and dad. We enjoyed it a lot. So beautiful. Love the waterfalls, and it's very beautiful at night too. And enjoyed the fireworks. Miss Niagara Falls. Okay, here's a few other things on my wall. St. Patrick's Day thingy. Here's more. These are just my hats. Here's my other movie shelf. I got that at Niagara Falls, too. Let's see. that's the rest of my movie shelf. Harry Potter collection and the other movies. See, Harry Potter collection. Here's my other hats. Yes, I'm a big New England Patriots fan. Here's all of them. Here's the rest. Yes, and I hope New England Patriots win their 6th Super Bowl this coming up season. And here's my closet. Yes, I need a bigger closet. I have way too much clothes. Okay, well, take care all, friends. Thank you so much. That was my room tour. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your week. Take care always. See, that's my closet. Need a bigger closet. I have no room. Well, enjoy your, and all of the stuff I get shop is Ross and another store and a few other stores at the outlet malls. That's where I shop from now on for my clothes and everything. Well, take care all, friends. Enjoy your week. Enjoy the rest of your week and week. Have a good evening and night, all friends. Thank you so much for everything. Bye-bye. Take care, all friends. And to my Filipino friends, thank you so much for everything. Take care always. Bye-bye, all. Bye-bye.